Today, I'm sharing a simple method to season a new pan. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Shogun or La Gourmet. I have just bought a new Shogun non-stick pan that is slightly bigger and can be used with induction stove. It is quite stable as it can sit sturdily on the flat stove while being lightweight with two handles. Remove the sticker from the pan. Here is the instruction detailing how to take care of the product. So we are going to follow the instructions on how to season the pan. It is very simple. Let's get started. Wash the pan. Start with the glass lid. Use a non-abrasive sponge and a regular dishwash detergent and wash. Rinse it off thoroughly and rest it on the stand to dry. Next, wash the pan. Give it a rinse. Use a non-abrasive sponge and the dishwash detergent to wash it thoroughly. Wash it inside, outside of the pan and the handles. Alright, this should be enough. Turn off the water and rinse off the detergent thoroughly with clean water. Okay, the pan is clean now. Use a clean towel to dry a pan completely. Let's move on to the next step. I have some unused cooking oil and the silicone brush. Applying the cooking oil on the inside surface of the pan. Alright, the whole area is covered with oil. Notice that the oil does not stick well on the surface of the pan. This is normal for the non-stick cookware. After some time, the oil tends to group together, leaving some of the area uncovered with oil. So I am pouring more oil on the pan to ensure that the oil covers the entire bottom surface of the pan. Now it is okay. Next, heat the pan. Put the pan on the stove, switch on the heat to medium-low, and allow the pan to heat up for 4 minutes. Alright, 4 minutes is over. Turn off the heat. Allow the pan to completely cool down. This will take a minimum of 1 hour. Okay, after 2 hours, the pan and the oil has completely cooled down. Remove all the oil from the pan and discard it. Use a dry paper towel to wipe off the oil until the pan is completely dry. Now the pan is ready to be used. There are also some extra precautions that I take to make the cookware last longer. Using for dishes that need medium-low heat, such as stir-frying, shallow frying, fried rice, noodles, egg, and more. After cooking, while the pan is still very hot, allow it to cool down before washing. If there are stains or food stuck to the pan, soak the cool pan in water or boil water in low heat to loosen the stain. Using silicone spatula to avoid scratches on the non-stick coating. Try to avoid this as well to prolong the pan use. Using high heat for prolonged periods like deep frying, boiling, steaming, dry roasting, and others. as it can easily damage the non-stick coating. Using metal or wooden spatula with the pan, as it can easily damage the non-stick coating. Using high heat without oil or water on the surface of the pan. Scrubbing the non-stick surface with abrasive scrub and pad. I hope these tips and tricks help those who are new to non-stick cookware product. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.